Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and you have Python installed. You need that interpreter. Once done, run the Pycharm installer as administrator and pick community or professional depending on needs. Make sure to enable the path option if offered and choose to create a new virtualenv for projects so dependencies stay isolated. While installer runs, decide if you want desktop shortcuts and file associations. That saves time later and lets you open projects from Explorer. Open Pycharm and create a new project immediately. Select the interpreter you installed and let Pycharm make a virtualenv in your chosen folder. Once the project loads, use the project tool window to add files and set the main script. Configure a run configuration so you can execute with one click. Make good use of the built-in terminal to pip install packages and set breakpoints to inspect variables when debugging. This saves time and prevents hidden runtime surprises. Run your application and watch the console for errors so you can iterate quickly. Once tests pass, enable inspections and auto-format to keep code consistent and connect to Git for version control. If something fails, first confirm Pycharm is using the correct interpreter and that the virtualenv is activated. Mismatched paths cause most issues. If that does not help, disable recent plugins, restart Pycharm, and rerun. Often a plugin conflict or cached environment is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.